Hiya Duck. So I'm going to show you how to create a cement look nail. Now this is giving very Kim K, that whole packaging that's very like stone cement kind of style. So let's get cracking. So I'm going to work on a tip. We sell these tips, by the way, if you didn't know, because everybody asks us where the hell are those tips from. Well, we sell them and the link will be below. And if you don't follow us already, I'm sorry, I know what you're doing. So I'm going to base coat this first, as if it was a nail extension or even a natural nail. So base coat, nice and thin. The base coat is going to give you longevity. Do not skip the base coat. 30-second cure into the Kirsty Meakin lamp, which has a gorgeous pink glow. It's not just your average UV lamp with that weird blue kind of violet colour. It's actually pink. And then the colours we're going to use are, see these colours? We're going to use Curt and Greige. So this one is called Curt, which is our grey. Kind of like very stone cement. And then this is a lot lighter. The Greige is like a grey beige. So we're going to use those two colours. I'm going to start by applying Curt. This is named after my brother. And the reason it's named after Curt is if you are a Warhammer fan, you know the little plastic figures.
He's a big fan, isn't he?
He's a big fan, and they are this colour. They are all grey. Very grey, because they get painted and some of the paintwork they do on Warhammer stuff is just phenomenal. We should do a video of us doing that. If you want one, let us know, because I would like to do one. It would take quite some time, but I would enjoy it. Adam might get bored, but I would love it. So let me know if you want me to do a Warhammer figure video for you, because yeah, Curt would give me one of theirs, I'm sure, maybe.
Didn't we get one before? We never did anything.
We did. So I'm going to do 2 coats of that on this nail. In the lamp, 30-second cure. Then on my palette, I'm going to put some Greige.
Right, I haven't asked you this. What is Greige? Is it part of the bridal collection?
It is part of the bridal collection.
I don't understand what Greige is.
Greige is beige and grey. Grey and beige.
Ah!
Greige.
Right, okay, that is. I didn't know.
That's how simple, Adam. It is. I'm going to use the lily liner to just create a design, quite an abstract, straight lined design. And I'm going to fill in. Now if any of you have our Easter bundle of colours, you will have one of the colours that I'm going to use in this design. Not the colours I've already used. And I'm going to do a straight line here. Pop that in the lamp. So we've got like an abstract design, not too complicated. Let the brush do the work for you. And then this is the gel polish that I was talking about. If you've got the Easter bundle, you'll have this. It is Ballet, and it's our matte SFX top coat. And when I say SFX, I am telling you about the effect that it creates, because this is going to create that stone cement kind of, I don't know what you call it, but it's stone, it's cement, it's whatever. Kim K, love is it. We're going to put this directly over the top, and that's going to give you that gorgeous stone effect. So it looks shiny right now, but then we're going to pop it into the lamp and it will react with the light and it will actually go matte. So look, when we pull that out, it is matte. And you've got that gorgeous stone effect. So because this is matte, what I want to do is just add like a little bit of sparkle to it. So we're going to use from Lecente the foil. This is called Tinsel, for obvious reasons. It's very tinsely. But you could do this with sort of any style of foil. Trying to find the end. Just gonna cut a little bit of that off. If anybody knows an easier way to put this back in the packaging, tell me, because this drives me a little bit nuts and I kind of just want to screw it up and put it in. But then what we're going to do now, and this is going to be a bit weird, but I like it. We're going to take top coat and we're going to put a blob of top coat on. So this is glossy top coat, yeah? And we'll kind of do one here as well. We're going to pop the foil on top. And then we're going to pop it into the lamp. So take that out, peel it off, and look at that. Ooh! So to seal that in, we're going to put glossy top coat on, just on top of our little sections. I feel like it needs another one there. Maybe there as well. Sorry, I'm getting fussy now, I want more. I'm going to use the messy Nessy brush to pick up the top coat and put that on because I want to be quite precise. Top coat. So this will seal the foil. We're going to do 2 coats of that just so we can get it domed a little bit. So second coat, and this will kind of dome it a little bit. Going to flash them as I go. Full cure that. Look at that.
That looks cool.
How cool is that? It's as if they've got like oil slicks on top of the stone. Oh, I love that effect. It's quite simple but very, very effective. And that whole like putting the foil on top of the top coat is such an easy but really cool effect, especially on top of that matte stone nail as well. So they are quick, easy nail for you guys. Give it a go. Hopefully all the KMK lovers will love that. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all that shebang. Everything I've used today will be listed below, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra, duck!